quick Ulta run, you guys. I'm trying to get that clean girl aesthetic. All right, we need to figure out what the black girl, clean girl aesthetic is when it comes to our hair, because it's just different. We got curls, we got texture, we got thickness. So I need some inspo. I think I'm gonna try to see if there's anything on Pinterest that I can do. I'm just thinking something sleek. And I'm gonna be honest, I washed my curls and moisturized them last night, did a mask. So I'm hoping the curls are popping right now. Ooh. Why does she make me want to bleach my hair? But I said I would never do that again. I'm not doing that again. A claw clip moment. You know, I love that. I definitely think of like claw clips, sleek, when I think of the clean girl aesthetic, have the curls popping. Let's just see what the curls are doing right now. I try to put it in a pineapple. Trying to break the gel cast. I want to do like a half up, half down, but is that giving clean girl? I think I might do like a headband look. I'm gonna go for a side part. So I'm gonna just clip that back. Just the front pieces, get some eco. I hope this turns out good, you guys. And grab a brush. I'm just gonna like sleek these sections. Why do I look like George Washington? Then we're gonna bring it behind the ear, like under here. And she tied it off, so it's giving like a sleek headband. Just really sleek it, because you know, clean girls have that sleek, polished look. And then I'm gonna use one of my hair ties. I feel like if you had like a rubber clear elastic, maybe use that, because I don't have like a big chunky section. I guess I can put some like edge control or something just to really hold it down. I'm not gonna like try and do edges because I don't want it to look like edges. It's supposed to look like a headband, you know, type thing. Let's hope. I just want them to kind of stay laid. Okay, why does this kind of look cute? It's giving 90s vibes already. So this is definitely acting as a headband because my hair's not in my face. Okay, curls, I'm so glad that I did my hair last night and let it kind of dry a little bit. Now you can do the headband as thick as you want. I probably did 2 inches. I don't know, maybe I should have done more. I might spray a little leave-in. This just honestly, because it smells so good. It's the Way and the Byredo collab. It smells like the Mojave Ghost, which I have this perfume. I think the hair is giving. So I already washed my face and did my eye cream and moisturizer for the day. Now I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm most nervous for the makeup part because I don't know, like you just don't want to mess it up, right? And also I'm using like new products and different techniques. So we'll see how this goes, but I am excited. We love change. And because my birthday is next month, it's just like, for me, like the perfect time to try something new and go into this next chapter of my life with a new vibe. Let's get into it. Yeah. Clip my hair back while I do this. I always do my own eyebrows, and it's actually really easy because microblading makes life so nice. Like, you don't really have to be doing a whole bunch. But that looks pretty good. Okay. Next, what are we talking about? One product, limitless brow look. Style brow hairs and set in place. Non-sticky, transparent formula with a precise spoolie for easy application. So yeah, I guess I don't need to fill my brows in. Bro, why can't I get this thing out of here? So this is what it comes in. Oh, it's gooey. You gotta get like a good amount. Maybe I just don't have brows. Wow. I don't know about this, you guys. I don't have a whole lot of brow hairs, but I have the microblading, so it kind of styles the hair in like a natural way with that shape that I already have with the microblade. I don't know, we're gonna have to see how this dries. Wow, hold up now. I'm kind of vibing with this. So while that sets, I'm gonna prime my face so we have a nice base. This is a skincare brand and they do the best primer. This one is the Banana Bright Face Primer. So with the whole clean girl aesthetic, a bright glowy face, like this is what we want. Oh, and this is not a tutorial, you guys. I'm just not a beauty guru. All right, listen, I have acne prone skin, so I have hyperpigmentation and discoloration mostly on my cheek area. That's why I'm kind of nervous, because with this whole clean girl aesthetic, it's not full coverage. It's basically natural but enhanced. So how am I gonna cover that while still looking like my skin is skin? You know, we're gonna need a miracle. I just don't want to spot conceal, because then it'll look like I have makeup on some areas and then nothing on others. Like, I don't want to look patchy. So I guess I'll try a light hand of this new NARS foundation that's supposed to have like very good skin benefits. Light reflecting foundation, so hopefully the colors are the same. They're both Stromboli. This one looks a little warmer. Girl, I'm gonna go in with a little bit on a damp sponge. Wow, I'm really liking this so far. Keep in mind, I'm coming from someone that's used to full coverage foundation. I usually would use like 6 pumps of my normal foundation, which is crazy, right? Really focus on my cheek area. I like this color for me. I think it is a good match, so love that. And then I'm gonna put some of this on my eyelids too, just to kind of even that. I don't really feel it on my skin. It feels almost like a moisturizer. Like, I already look like a clean girl. Like, my face is just even and like fresh, but like glowy. That's another thing. Like, these girls weren't using a lot of powder to set their face, and I'm over here thinking like, what? Like, how do you not use powder to set your face? Like, I'm nervous about that, so I don't know. Nothing heavy. I'm not doing the whole triangle thing that I would usually do, so lighter hand. Now we're gonna do our cream bronzer. I just feel like creamy products will work better with this aesthetic instead of trying to like put powder bronzer on and then it looking really patchy and streaky. So this is what the Laguna 3 looks like. I'm gonna go on with my Kabuki. Test this out on my hand first. It's a nice subtle bronze. I'm just gonna like add some dimension since we kind of evened out our skin tone. We don't want to look flat, so just kind of put a natural warmth back into it. I think this is a good color for me. I feel like the less products the better, right? Add some more dimension. Such a pretty product and easy to use and super easy to blend. The blush, we got a liquid blush here in the shade Orgasm from NARS. Super pretty packaging. Again, this is the only color they had, I think. Otherwise they had some like cream based blushes, but those looked kind of dry when I swatched them, so I went for this. I don't really have a brush for this. Ooh. Now I love blush because it just brightens up your whole look, and I think of like a fresh face when I think of like the clean girl aesthetic. Also like putting a little on my nose. Look a little sun-kissed. Oh my god, I look like a clown. Rethinking everything. I did not get a liquid highlighter, so we're gonna have to just make do. I'm gonna need some powder we're gonna get that glowy skin look, and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna use for that at the end. But I'm trying to go to the gym, like sweating, like I need my makeup to actually stay on my face. So I'm using this Huda translucent powder, which I feel like is gonna be good because translucent is always super light, and I definitely don't want my eyes to crease. So I'm just gonna go in with a light hand. Still going for that glowy look, but we want it to stay locked in place as well. You know? Should I add something to my brows, or should we just leave it like this? They still feel kind of tacky. So, like, I like this glow. We see this? Come on, NARS. I really like this. Is it really a foundation though? It is a foundation, but I really like it. I thought I wouldn't like it, but it has surprisingly more coverage than what I thought, and it's a light coverage product. Okay, so I'm gonna set this area lightly, hit it with this. I'm just using a brush. I think that's pretty good. I just needed a little powder. Set my lids too. Lightly. Okay, usually I would go in with one of these and pack my face with powder. Not today. I'm just gonna go in with my favorite. This one's only available on the Makeup Forever website, which is so sad because I love this stuff. I'm gonna hit the inner corner so we don't look asleep. Oh yeah, this is definitely bringing the whole look. Look at that, baby. Stop playing with me. This is looking like skin. I'm not even gonna hold you guys. It looks different than my normal makeup routine, I'll just say that. This is where you really need to have like good skincare routine, because you're gonna see like your texture. I don't really have much texture right now because I'm using acids, but this is a good time to just pay attention to your skincare products and focusing more on that versus focusing more on makeup, which is kind of where I'm at right now. Like, I'd rather just have really good skin where I don't have to do a whole lot to feel comfortable. This is what we want. We don't want a matte setting spray. We want to make sure that the liquid cream products are locked in place and that we get that natural skin glowy finish. So if you think it's enough, keep spraying. Bro, why do they package this stuff so tightly? This is a nice lash curler. Come on, Ulta brand. Hit it with a lash curl one time. Y'all see the eyebrows? I'm gonna go in with a little eyeliner. Brown, not black, because black is just doing too much. Just a little bit. And we're just gonna do mascara. So use whatever you like. We're just gonna use these are from Dior. I don't know if I just want to do the lip glow oil, or if I also want to go in with the color reveal, which is like supposed to be more natural. I feel like my lips don't have much pigment, so I'll go in with a little of this. It's a lot more like fresh faced in my opinion. And I guess I'll top it off with this lip oil that I love so much. If you get anything, get this. Like, hi. Let me just say, there's something about this video that I didn't think I would love this aesthetic. Like, it's really giving everything I didn't know I needed. So I just popped on this like black. I almost wish I had a different color because you can't see the curls. I'm gonna go change it. So much better, because now the curls, you can see the length, you can see a little more of like the definition. So I just need to like touch up the rest of the aesthetic, if I can get my tripod to sit proper. So I'm thinking like just gold jewelry is probably gonna be a vibe. I just love minimal jewelry anyway. So I'm gonna pop on my rings. These are all from Anna Louisa. And then I also think a cute necklace would be pretty. Just like very minimal, clean fashion pieces. Like this top is from Zara. They have the best basics. And I want to change my earrings. I never change my earrings. These are from Anna Louisa. They're very tiny. mini hoops, which is why they're perfect for every day. But I think I'm gonna put these bigger hoops in today. Oh, I like those. A clean girl smells like money. So I have my Byredo Mojave Ghost. I don't know how to explain it. It's just very fresh, but something about it is just giving me everything. I really like these brows. These brows are everything. Oh, I don't know about this necklace though. I think I want to take it off. It's cute, but I think the turtleneck thing, it's giving The Rock.